Alright, so the hurricane winds are not quite here yet. We're looking at sub-tropical storm winds, but they are approaching. We can see here we have 2 pine trees that are unfortunately already dead and have been swaying quite viciously in the wind. So we're hoping that as this progresses, if they are going to snap, that they snap high and not low, because the house is right here and we don't want to have a tree through our window. I hear another pine creaking over here. So we're hoping for the best here. Things are definitely, getting a little fun. Stay safe, everyone.